Hello and welcome to ClickTech UK. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your icons for your folders in Windows 10. So let's have a look and I'll show you how. So I've got Windows 10 open right now. I'm using version 1903, but this should work with any of the previous versions. And indeed, it should work going back right to Windows XP. So, what we've got here, I've got a little folder of some of the videos that I'm making at the moment. And I want to see, at a glance, what stage each video is at. So, let's say, for example, video 2 was actually on hold, and I wanted to show that visually on the folder. How can I do that? Well, there's a couple of ways. First one I'm going to show you is actually built into Windows, so you don't have to download anything. It is a bit cumbersome though to do it. In order to do it, you right click, go to Properties, go to Customize, and then you can change the icon. Then you get a raft of icons that you can use, and you can actually download icon files from the internet that you can use as well, and then link them into that file. So if we look through here, let's say I wanted to put it on hold and I want it to have a big warning sign on it. Then I can click OK and apply, and there you can see it's changed. Not too bad. It's a bit cumbersome going through those menus, but there is a quicker and easier way to do it. Okay, so I'll just put this back to how it was before. Okay, so there we have our folders. Okay, so I'm going to show you a way to do this even quicker. Now, in order to do this, you are going to have to download some freeware and install it onto your machine. There's no ads in it. I've used this quite a lot and it's never caused me any problems, so it does come highly recommended. But yeah, let's have a look. The website is to go to is foldermarker.com, and we're going to be using folder marker free in this instance. Now, there is a pro version that you can pay for, which has got a lot more icons and things in there, but I find that this free version is absolutely fine for, you know, the little hobby that I've got doing these videos. So click on download, and then I'm going to run the file. Then I'm going to install folder marker free. So click on next. Just go through the installation process. So as you can see, we've downloaded folder marker and we've got an icon on the desktop. So opening it up, we can then see that we can change icons to all these different colors. And if we go into main, you can see there's a few there as well. User icons, you can actually add some user icons as well. I've already added this little power button. And if I wanted to add the other one that we had already seen, that one there, I can add that one in there as well. So with this software open, one thing I can do is actually drag the folder that I want into there and click apply. It then changes it. That's not too bad, but there is an even quicker way. If I right click on any of the folders, or indeed I can select more than one at once and do this, and I want to mark it as high priority, then I can do that. Right click again on multiple, and I want to change these to a color, and I want to make these ones red, and I can do that. Now let's say you've accidentally colored one in, you want it to go back, so you can select them all or select one or whatever, go mark folder, restore default, and it sends them all back to how they were before. Now I find this software really easy to use, and when I've got a lot of videos that I'm making, it's really handy to see straight away which ones I've got at what stage, so I can decide which one I'm working on that day. So there you go, a nice easy way for you to mark up your folders and organise your workflow. So I'll leave links to folder marker in the description below. Don't forget to give this video a like if you liked it. Got loads more videos coming very soon. Best way not to miss any of those is to subscribe below. It doesn't cost a thing, and if you click the bell icon, you'll be told every time a new video comes out. And why not watch one of our other videos on the left hand side of the screen right now. So thanks for watching, and I will see you later.